manly projects. Like and subscribe.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Got a little interesting one for you today. As you probably saw in the description, I've bought another motorbike. So the idea of this is to go on a European road trip. So let's get into it, let's show you it, and then let's talk about it after.
Well, there she is. Honda ST1300 Pan European. This is the 2004 model. Managed to pick this bike up from a lovely gentleman based up in Tamworth. He'd had the bike for a short period of time. Prior to that, his friend had had the bike for 15 plus years. So well looked after, well documented bike. Got a lot of optional extras on the bike. We've got the LED headlights, as you can see there. It's got the switchback indicators fitted as well. It's got the full wind deflector kit, currently with 44,500 miles, so nothing really for a 20-year-old bike. All the original luggage, panniers and top box, obviously optional extra. It's got the integrated heated grips as well on the bike. It's got the adjustable front windscreen that you get there with the Pan European, and we've got the ABS braking system on the bike. So all in all, pretty much everything. So let's have a little listen. Let's start her up and see what she sounds like. Go. Starting from cold, which is great. Let's have a look. No smoke. Perfect. No smoking from the other side. Just what we want. Sounds great. Sounds lovely. Obviously it's got a little phone holder case thing there. I'll have to do something with that. Maybe change that out. But all in all, I think a really good bike. So yeah, probably going to do some few little upgrades, but we'll come on to that in a short while.
There you go. I think great little bike, but let me know what you think in the comments. A few little bits probably want to do, a few little upgrades. I'm thinking of some type of motorbike computer thing, GPS, cameras, CarPlay integration through to the helmet, that sort of thing. If we're going on a little bit of a tour, I think that might be good. Get some USB, sort of charge your phone, maybe change the front screen, put a slightly smoke tinted screen and a bit of a wider wind deflected screen. I've seen them, so that might be something to do. Maybe a seat upgrade. Could be a bit tired, haven't test ridden it yet, so we'll take it out for a test ride, see where we're at, and then we can go from there really. Not going to ride it at the moment, obviously windy, rainy, horrible right at this minute in time, but if we get a bit of a break in the weather, maybe we'll take it out for a little bit of a test ride and get a bit of video footage of that. So stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed, click that subscribe button, hit the bell, hit the notifications, so you can stay alert of when I drop these videos, and see you on the next one.